security chief to new arrivals. Could have used you sooner, but welcome just the same. I'm in the mansion, command center. Your knowledge is critical to mission success, and we take care of our own.
Big kid gun like that. Right. Where's the ladder?
The window missed. We'll advise when it reopens. That must have been Dennis Riffle, church groundskeeper. All right, Riffle. Let's see what you've been keeping locked up in here.
Beats pumping iron at the gym. I wish that Taco Fox a cannon fodder.
Jackpot. That's the one more item crossed off the shopping list. This better be worth it. I think Rusted Dime Model 23, huh?
Honestly, you're the only thing making me feel somewhat safe out here. I'm always telling you to stop picking up scabs. Some things never change.
Max Armor.
Decoy going out. Taking longer than it did to offload that shipment of